We continue our First Alert Action Day coverage, looking at rain and windy conditions as you saw in the Sacramento Valley.
Your reporter covering Sacramento County, Tori Apodaca, live in Discovery Park with how things are looking out there, and Tori just looks soggy.
Very soggy out here right now, Hunter and Marley. You can see it falling down on us, and it's been pretty relentless since around 2 p.m. Some of the traffic moving behind us at this 5 o'clock hour, and on the ground you can see areas like this starting to puddle, and that's what drivers are really up against. But if it's one thing that Sacramentans have learned from these storms over the past few years, it's to be prepared. Wind whipping through Sacramento Wednesday. So intensely, it even had our heavy camera shaking.
This type of weather, you think about the trees. We just had it pruned, so I think we're okay.
The wind blew us to Phoenix Field, a neighborhood in Fair Oaks where we met Jennifer Ryder.
I was wearing short sleeves and sandals yesterday, and the day before. It was just gorgeous. And today I need my coat on probably.
She's been prepping her home for the wet and windy weather, checking her window screens and clearing her gutters and drains. What type of impacts have you seen from this type of weather in the past year?
Well, I've had my living room flooded when it rained a lot before I got my French drain fixed.
I think it's been a lot milder than the previous years, which is a good thing.
Owner of Fair Oaks arborist Scott Shaw was on standby for downed trees. Later called out to this massive oak tree that split in half, crashing through a fence at a Sacramento home. What kind of, signs can people be looking for to keep healthy trees?
If you do end up going outside or after the storm, then take a look around the base of the trees. If you see any soil separation, so small fine cracks around the base of the tree, it means that's indication that the root plate is shifted.
We met with Shaw at a practically empty park, but did see some dogs playing fetch and a biker before the dark clouds rolled in. Rain or shine, you're going to be biking.
Well, yes, that's of course.
And by 2 p.m., that rain started coming down, soaking Sacramento in a pre-spring shower.
I love sweater and sweatshirt weather. I'm afraid I love this.
So obviously some people are enjoying this wet weather. You can see, though, traffic moving along us right here behind us as people are just taking it slow. Sacramento County, though, telling us that all of the preparations started well before the storms this season, months in advance, even weeks. But they are on standby in case anything were to happen.
Yeah. Got to be better safe than sorry, especially when it comes to this weather around here, especially this time of year. All right, Tori, live for us there in Discovery Park. Thanks so much.